Yes.
Willie the wombat? Willie wombat? He's so close onto the boardwalk. I want to pat him, but I know you're not allowed to. He's a bit cold up here at Cradle today. You're going to Gustav weindorfers hut. Taking the missus up there. I haven't been up there, so this is another video for YouTube. Then we're going to catch the bus back up to Dove Lake and walk around there. Plan was today, it was my birthday, I wanted to go summit Cradle Mountain, but it's pretty dangerous up there. So it's not going anywhere, I can always come back. Get up here to Gustav weindorfers hut, Weldeheim. The weather gods are not with me today on my birthday. They won't let me summit Cradle Mountain, which is a pain in the bum. The wombat, he looks like a rock from here. That pencil pine's huge, look at it. All these pandanus and pencil pines, it's amazing. Absolutely beautiful. That Maryland track looks insane. That's a full alpine walk. Oh, I've officially touched snow on my birthday. Woohoo! Oh, look at all the snow up here. Weldeheim Chalet, Gustav weindorfers hut. I've been sitting here for about 20-30 minutes. I'm just in awe of just how much craftsmanship has gone into this. I'll take you for a quick tour on the outside. Look at the way that the chimney's been done. It's unreal. The shingling, the posts and the handrails and the seats, and it's just unreal. Gustav weindorfer was the first person to come to Cradle Mountain and summit it and declare it as a national park. And he lived here for so many years with his wife Kate. It's just unreal. There's heaps of information inside. I haven't got much time because I'm trying to get to Dove Lake so I can do the tour before the last bus comes through. But I've always wanted to come here. Now I've been here on my 38th birthday. I'll never forget this. Unreal. Look at that shingling, look at it. Unreal. That chimney, I've never seen a chimney like that before. Alright, so the back door had 9 bedrooms. 9 bedrooms. Unreal. This was his dining hall. His kitchen's in here with all his original stuff. Take you over here, flick this light on. There's a little lantern, and the fireplace was huge. Absolutely unreal. Like, obviously PWS have restored some things, like putting the boards on and the new nails, but you can just get the idea of what they done. 2 bedrooms in here. So there's Gustav Weindorfer there. There's Kate, which is his wife. There's Frederick Smithies, which was another pioneer conservationist person. He was good mates with Gustav. And the others I don't really know about, but there's some information here about them all. Just unreal. I'm just in awe of the craftsmanship of this hut. It's unreal. See here, that's the original building plan from 1920. Picture taken back in 1921. The old school car. (1940s). So during World War II. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bedrooms. Unreal. Gustav and Kate on top of Cradle Mountain Summit. Weindorfer's grave. I'm about to go down there and have a look. You can press this button and you can sit in here for like 5-10 minutes and listen to the stories of how they lived here and stuff. I just had lunch and just sat here and listened to it. This must be a national park for the people for all time. It is magnificent, and people must know about it and enjoy it. Gustav Weindorfer's own words. His original skis out the back, his shoes, his backpack. Looks like Kate's hat sitting there with the scissors. Come out here to the front door. The balcony. It's just unreal. Front porch. And I'll take you out the back. I was just reading this one out here because there was another little hut. It's actually his bathhouse. He had a bath and he built a hut that goes over a river or over a creek. It's unreal. So there's a little forest walk you can do. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to come back. Check this out. He had a bath in here. Is that like an old chimney there too? Maybe, I'm not sure. Why has he got that up there? There, Weindorfer built his bathhouse in 1919. A wooden channel brought water straight from the creek to the bath. One visitor remembered with nostalgia the early days when he pulled out a peg and freezing water flowed out. If you couldn't face it, you just made splashing noises and came out saying, "It's so exhilarating." Later there was a copper in the bathhouse so water could be heated and bucketed into depth tin bath. Around 1928, Weindorfer installed a chip heater to supply continuous hot water, but even then the water supply froze from time to time. Look at the old school photo there. Full of snow. This is it here. Obviously it's been restored, but it's still just amazing work. Like, look at this. Just amazing work. It's all been restored. It's all new. This isn't original. Tell like the original, not the original, the newer nails and the newer boards. So obviously it was deteriorating. Shout out to PWS, they've done well looking after it. But anyway, if you look here, it's absolutely beautiful. My fiance's spotted it out to me. You see this creek? Look, it's literally running under the creek. running under the creek. The creek's running underneath the hut, the bathhouse. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. All these King Billy pines, look at them. Oh, it's amazing. Absolutely friggin' beautiful. What a birthday present. Coming here and looking at this. It's right up my alley. Gustav Weindorfer, what a legend. There's a part that I was reading about where once Kate died, he started to get real lonely here because his dog died, and he was worried about the thylacines, the Tassie tigers, eating him. Since my dog is dead, it's not only awful to be quite alone at times, but the tiger cats are getting so bold, I'm afraid they are going to eat me. In broad daylight, they walk about the place as if they owned it. Enter at night, goodness knows where the kitchen, and are smashing my things. I'll shut this door. What a beautiful bloody little hut. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm in awe. I don't want to leave. It's just magnificent. So that's Gustav Weindorfer's chalet, known as Weldeheim. Absolutely amazing. Even the shingling, I can't get over it. That chimney, I can't get over that chimney. All the smoke would have been coming out of that, like perfect. No metal, nothing. Just perfect. Absolutely bloody perfect. I think his grave is over there, so I'm going to go over there for a little wander. That's Gustav Weindorfer's hut chalet at Cradle Mountain. So just down from Gustav Weindorfer's hut, you come up this road, up to the car park, up to this track. This is his resting place, this is his grave. Gustav Weindorfer, 23rd of February 1874 to the 5th of May 1932. Rest in peace, Gustav Weindorfer. Bloody legend. Weindorfer's Forest Walk, 15 minutes return. And Chloe just pointed out that it's not the actual original chalet of Weindorfer's. It's a replica. So I think they've maybe just added to everything. That King Billy, it's huge. These pandannies, huge. So right next to the bathhouse is a circuit. Oh, there we go. It's rainforest dominated by King Billy pine and Myrtle Beach. It's part of the 200 acres purchased by Kate Weindorfer in 1910 as the site for Weldeheim. The Weindorfers camped here with their friends Ronald Smith, Kathleen Carruthers and Dr. Charles Sutton in January 1911. Major Smith recalled the scene many years later. Having reached Weldeheim after a journey at an average speed of less than 2 miles per hour, tea was made and a belated but much enjoyed dinner was partaken. It was quite a historical meal, the first of many thousands that followed. The tents were pitched, another historical event, as they were the first dwellings, although temporary ones, that were erected at Weldeheim. Bloody beautiful. Unreal. I didn't get to do this the other day because we were in a bit of a rush to get down to Weldeheim Spa. Bloody hell, this is amazing. Zombie. Onslow Heath, 3 hours return. That's definitely not a maintained track. Weindorfer's Forest. Pencil Pines, Myrtle Beach, King Billy Pines. Oh, little paddy melon. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, he went. Alright, I'm not going to sit here and do the whole 15-minute walk. You have to come here and do it yourself. It's too bloody amazing to not sit here and soak it up. Right, make sure you do that when you come and see Weindorfers Chalet. Leave me a like, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
1 hour later.
Welcome to the Weldeheim Spa. Oh, look at that. Got a beer, got a sign up, look at that. Hell yeah. Plunge bath, getting straight into that. Sauna. I don't know. Wow, look at that. Let's get out there.